Good morning, my dear students. In this particular video presentation, again, we will discuss some more problems meant for students of class 12 of CBSE. Everything will be very useful for your board examination. I am taking problems on almost all the topics, therefore, learn everything properly by the way it is being explained by me and try those problems on your own and come back to this. The very idea of uploading such videos is you will be able to get back to those videos and then clarify your doubts automatically without looking through any guide or notes unnecessarily, and share with your friends if you feel the videos are good, and you can advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, bell icon. Subscription has no charges. The first problem meant for today goes like this: if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube plus px plus q is equal to 0, then find the determinant. First row alpha, beta, gamma, second row beta, gamma, alpha, third row gamma, alpha, beta. This is the question, just see. This is your question. Before going into the details, just see the rule. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, I have to just recall alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. Here a not equal to 0. It's very important, otherwise it won't be a cubic expression. Then alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha will be equal to c by a, that is coefficient x by coefficient x cube. Then alpha beta gamma is equal to minus constant term by coefficient x cube. This you should anyway remember. Now here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of, what is the equation given? X cube plus px plus q is equal to 0. Therefore alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equal to 0 because coefficient x square here is 0. Minus 0 by 1 becomes 0. This is the one you are supposed to recall now. Anyway, determinant alpha, beta, gamma, beta, gamma, alpha, then gamma, alpha, beta. Let me just expand alpha into gamma, beta minus alpha square minus beta into beta square minus alpha gamma alpha plus gamma into alpha beta minus gamma square, which will be automatically imply you alpha beta gamma minus alpha cube minus beta cube plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma minus gamma cube. Let me take minus as common. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 alpha beta gamma I will have, which will be equal to 0, since there is a rule if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be equal to 0. This is the rule. Or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Either way, you might have learnt in 8th or 9th standard. Therefore, the whole expression will become 0. Actually, you are not having properties of determinants this year in your syllabus. If you apply the properties, it is always easier. Just apply R1 going to R1 plus R2 plus R3. It's not supposed to be applied in the present year's answer paper, since it is deleted from the syllabus. Just apply this. I'll get alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma as row 1. Take alpha plus beta plus gamma as common from row 1. There will be one of the factors remaining will be, since alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0, we have seen just now. 0 into any quantity is supposed to be 0. That's easier way to do, but unfortunately your properties of determinants is not there in your syllabus. Let me just explain once again. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus ax plus d is equal to 0, if a not equal to 0, it will become a quadratic equation. A not equal to 0 is a must. Sum of the roots is equal to minus coefficient x square by coefficient x cube minus b by a. Sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube c by a, then product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma is minus constant term by coefficient of x cube minus d by a. Now alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube plus bx plus q is equal to 0. That's a question given to you. That's a condition given to you. Now for sum of the roots here will be minus 0 by 1, which is 0. Minus coefficient of x square here is 0. Now let me try to expand this. Alpha into gamma beta minus alpha square. Minus beta into beta square minus gamma alpha. Plus gamma into beta alpha minus alpha gamma square. Now for multiply inside alpha beta gamma minus alpha cube minus beta cube plus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta gamma minus gamma cube. Take minus as common. Minus of alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 alpha beta gamma, which will become 0 because there is a rule. If a plus b plus c is 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Instead of abc I have alpha beta gamma here. This is obtained to be 0. Therefore answer is 0. If properties is there or there in your properties of determinants are there in your syllabus, the answer will be easier. Apply row 1 going to row 1, r1 plus r2 plus r3, r1. Therefore, I'll get alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma as row 1. I'll be able to take alpha plus beta plus gamma as common from row 1. And alpha plus beta plus gamma is 0, means 0 into any quantity happens to be 0. The answer becomes easier if you apply properties of determinants, but unfortunately it is not there in your current syllabus. It shouldn't be applied in your board examination. You can use it in your competitive examinations anyway quickly. You can do it in competitive examinations. Okay. I am helping you either way, how to apply your mind in competitive examination, how to apply your mind in CBSE, everything I am telling you. Therefore, your attention matters more than my teaching. If you are attentive, you will be able to get the points in a better way and you will be able to do in a faster way in your examinations also. Next sum goes like this. If f of x is root of x square plus 7 minus 4 by x plus 3 if x not equal to minus 3, k if x equal to minus 3 is continuous if x equal to minus 3. Find k. This is the question. Just read the question. Read the question for a while. Now see here, let me just apply the condition. F of x is continuous at x equal to minus 3. This is given, which implies the limiting value is equal to functional value. Limit extends to minus 3, f of x equal to f of minus 3, which implies limit extends to minus 3 of root of x square plus 7 minus 4 by x plus 3 to b is equal to f of minus 3 is k. It is given in the question. Functional value is k. Now I can't apply directly here, it comes under 0 by 0 form. If you apply here, it is 4 minus 4 0 minus 3 plus 3 0. I can't apply limit x equal to minus 3 directly. It comes under 0 by 0 form. It is not possible, which is not determined. It cannot be determined. Okay, 0 by 0 is not defined. Now for what I will do is I'll just multiply and divide by root of x square plus 7 plus 4, x plus 3 into root of x square plus 7 plus 4 is equal to k. You keep on writing, which will imply you limit extends to minus 3 of. Now apply a plus b into a minus b in the numerator. This becomes x square plus 7 minus 16 divided by x plus 3 into root of x square plus 7 plus 4, which is equal to k, which will automatically imply you limit extends to minus 3. I am just minimizing the step. Listen, it is x square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. It occupies more space, therefore I am just minimizing one particular step. Remember, listen carefully. For this x plus 3 will get cancelled, is equal to k. Now substitute the value. I'll end up with minus 3 by root of, what do I get here? 16 plus 4 is equal to 4, which implies minus 6 by 8 is equal to k. Therefore, k happens to be minus 3 by 4. When value of k is minus 3 by 4, the given function will be continuous at x equal to minus 3. I repeat, you are given a function to be continuous at the point x equal to minus 3. What is the unknown value of unknown quantity k? F of x is continuous x equal to minus 3 given. The condition for continuity tells you limiting value is equal to the function value. Now for limit x tends to minus 3, f of x will f of minus 3. Limit x tends to minus 3, whenever x tends to minus 3 means it's not equal to minus 3. Therefore, whenever it is not equal to minus 3, this is my functional value. This is my function. When x equal to minus 3, it is equal to k. That's called the functional value. If you apply minus 3 directly in both numerator and denominator, you end up with 0 by 0, which is not possible. See here, 4 minus 4, 0, minus 3 minus 3, 0. Let me multiply and divide by the plus quantity here. If minus is there, multiply and divide by plus. Plus is there, multiply and divide by minus. That is the rule you should remember always. Keep on writing limit x tends to minus 3 and equal to k uniformly everywhere. Apply a plus b into a minus b formula in the numerator. Root of x square plus 7 whole square becomes x square plus 7. Minus 4 square becomes 16. 7 minus 16 happens to be 9. X square minus 9 can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 3. X plus 3 gets cancelled. Now apply x equal to minus 3. Minus 6 is the numerator. Here 7 plus 9, it is root 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. Therefore, minus 6 by 8 happens to be minus 3 by 4. Therefore, value of k should be minus 3 by 4 for the function to be continuous at x equal to minus 3. For the function to be continuous x equal to minus 3. I think I'll be able to do the next problem also quickly. It's a simple problem. It's a problem on integration, but it is very simple. Let me just explain that also. It's not at all a difficult sum. I'll explain in just 2-3 minutes. Okay, it will cover more problems in one video. Anyway, I'm taking 15 minutes only maximum, not beyond that. Integral x dx, you have to evaluate this. 1 plus x tan x can be written as x dx by 1 plus x sin x by cos x, which is equal to integral x cos x dx by x sin x plus cos x. X sin x plus cos x, sorry. X sin x plus cos x. Okay, x sin x plus cos x can be written as d of x sin x plus cos x by x sin x plus cos x. I will be able to write, you can just get the derivative, d by dx of x sin x plus cos x. I end up with x cos x plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. This will get cancelled. Therefore, this is of the form dt by t. Therefore, log of the denominator, log mod x sin x plus cos x plus c. That is why I said this problem is very simple. Let me repeat. Evaluate integral x dx by 1 plus x tan x. This is tan. Okay, sorry. Tan x. Therefore, tan can be written as sin by cos. After taking LCM, this cos x goes to the numerator. Now look at the derivative denominator. Apply product rule. X into cos x plus sin x into 1. For cos x is minus sin x. Sin x minus sin x gets cancelled. Numerator is the derivative denominator. Is to the form dt by t. Imagine this in your mind as t. You can close this with your hands. So the form dt by t. Dt by t is nothing but log mod t. Log mod x sin x plus cos x plus c is the final answer. That is the final answer. Therefore, I'll just look through the answers. If there is any correction, I'll add up. Otherwise, as usual, I'll upload as it is. Thank you, students, for patient watching.